Bill calls for study on new connector between South Portland and Gorham. Driving through Gorham and Scarborough could become much easier in the near future. A bill is in the works that calls for a study into the creation of a connector from I-95 to Gorham. The bill would give the Maine Turnpike Authority the green light to research a bypass from the Route 114 roundabout to I-95 near the Main Mall in South Portland. Advocates hope the new road would help alternative traffic on current arteries like Route 22, which connects Gorham to Westbrook in Portland. Gorham resident Clayton Zumbs lives along Route 22 and has a front row seat to a lot of the frustration. The proposal calls only for a study to answer logical questions like finding the best location for the connector. If it is approved, Cole hopes to see construction begin in 5 or 6 years. For residents like Zombs, the bypass could not come soon enough. The last similar project was the Rhines bypass, which opened in 2008. That road took more than 50 years and 16 studies to complete. And that does for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Friday. Goodbye, everyone.